Hello and welcome back to Qlik Finance course. In that video we create basic P&L report. Let's go to our apps and copy template ETL as usual. Let's change the name to the P&L and update our hub. Go to template ETL and change the name to the P&L. Apply the changes and go to load editor. Next, we create the load of the fact tables and dimension tables. For that, we create new section, call it fact, and in data connections we use load, fact, finance load, and select that table. Let's insert the script and name the table as finance load. Next, we add a new section, call it dim. Let's open the load again, dim, account load, and let's insert that script again. We comment the ID account alternate. We don't need that field now. Let's name the table as account load. Let's save and load our app. Then we can go to data model viewer and see that our two tables is connected by the account key. We can click on it and check our density and subset ratio. It's 100, so it's perfect connection between these tables. Let's save the app and go to sheet. Then we add the custom object. Let's go to custom object extensions and we add QLIQUID table. We'll use account dimension as a rows for our P&L. Let's go to dimensions, open master, select tables, and select the account load table. Select account 1, account 2, account 3 and add that rows. Then we add measure. Add measure, amount, and for aggregation we'll use sum. Let's change the format to the number and also name this measure as amount. Then we can add rows. Let's go to rows, add dimension account 1, add dimension account 2, and add dimension account 3. Then in columns we add that dimension, that measure, amount. So our report is ready. We can change the width of the row. Go here, you can see I select the row and just move. Apply the changes to save that and done editing. We can select the first icon to see the all data we added. As you can see, we add 3 dimensions and 1 measure. We can change it by drag and drop, but let's keep it in 1, 2 and 3 dimension. And we have amount here. We can expand to the level we need. Let's expand to all levels. As you can see, we have some 0 values and some of the account 2 don't have account number 3. And here we have null values. In edit sheet, go to style, 0 and nulls, and suppress 0 values. Let's save the app and reload it. So here we don't have 0 values. Next, we create some basic styles. Let's go to style, row style list. The first style is default style for all rows we have. Let's create style for balance sheet, then for income, and then for statistical account. So I add style, left click on it, and apply light blue color. Make it bold, and name is as a blue. Next, add style. We select the green, light green color. Also make it bold and call it green. And next, do the same, but for the background, let's choose their light gray color. And as you expect, we call it gray. When we create that styles, we need to map that to the values of their fields. So here we have account number 1, values balance sheet, net income, and statistical accounts. We do the mapping in row style mapping. Let's select row style mapping and add field. We select the account 1. We can do that mapping in 2 ways, by the value and by the field. By the value it makes in UI, and by the field it makes in dual values of the field. Let's choose by the value and open mapping. We can select balance sheet and apply blue color. Let's apply style. As you can see, we apply the styles. Then we choose green color and apply for net income. And next we choose the gray color and apply to statistical accounts. We apply that styles only to the rows, but we need also apply it to the columns. For that, let's go back to row style list, open blue, and select override column style. And you can see we apply it also to the columns. The same with the green color, let's override column style, and the same with the gray color. Let's override column style. Next, you can see that taxes, headcount, square footage, and units don't have third level. But it also can be expandable. So let's make it not expandable. For that, let's go back to row style list and add new style. Let's name it as not expandable and make it not can be expanded. Next, we create new mapping for the second account. So we close account 1 and add field, select dimension, and it will be account number 2. Here we also use mapping by the value, open the mapping, and select taxes, headcount, store footage, and units. Choose style not expandable and apply that style. Next, save the app, and we can apply expand to the second level and then to the third level. And you can see our table is changed. We have taxes, headcount, square footage on the second level, but we can't expand it to the third level. So it looks much better without these empty values. Okay, we finish our basic visualization. For your homework, you can play with the styles with the table. See you in the next video.